Honestly,
super tiring?
nandun kami ng 7 days. 5 days shoot, 2 days ocular. Sa ocular, parang it's work and pasyal at the same time. So, parang nakapasyal pero hindi talaga. Parang ganun. But it's all work. Pero mukhang pasyal. Ayan.
Do you feel pressure na finally, after ilang years po, meron na kayo ulit pelikula and with Kim Jepa?
Well, number one, nabili na ng platform so natanggal na yung pressure. No? So, I mean, producer-wise, okay na siya. Kumita na yung pelikula. But of course, you know, the success of Joable sa box office plus yung recent films ko, medyo okay naman. Merong konti, pero sana matangkilikin ng mga kababayan natin.
Ano na pong...
Before umamin si, break na pala sila multiple times, diba? Alam mo ba before umamin? Kasi nagbibiro ka pa kanina na sana mag-break sila.
No, I don't have any idea. Hindi ko alam na nag-break sila during that time because you know, I have high admiration kay Direk Irene. Katrabaho nila yun. I was one of those na nagsabi na, Kim, Jay, sobrang happy ko may Irene kayo, something like that. Hindi wala silang nasabi sa akin na may problema sila. It was during pandemic I was very busy with Viva Max then during that time. So, hindi ko rin nakamusta. Ang galing din nila magtago. Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi ko alam.
Yung mga ibang vloggers na nagpa-cover sa'yo, nagpa-cover din kay Diwata. And I think they asked Diwata to like wish you luck, something else. So, nag-artista na rin si Diwata, diba? Naisip ko ba na baka kunin siya pa-min sentiment?
Well, if there's a chance, no? If there's a chance. Honestly, right now, I'm super duper busy with many commitments. I have lots of, I'm doing lots of ads internationally. So, medyo tied up ako. I don't think makakagawa ako ng any movie na malapit sa schedule ngayon. But I'm very grateful kay Diwata. You know, I used to go to Senate because of Amy Marcos. So, pag minsan dadaan ako ng Senate, maybe daan din ako kay Diwata. And give her, you know, something to use for vlogging. Medyo hindi maganda yung mga gamit niya So, baka magbigay ako. Maganda na ba ngayon? Ayun. Dapat bigyan ko siya ng
feeling ko wala pa siya
360 o yung gimbal, mga ganyan, mga pang filmmaker. Ayan. Baka pwede yun. Minsan hindi maganda yung phone bigyan ko mic, bigyan ko ng sweet ni-invite ako lagi.
Saka wala siyang lights sa pansig wala pa siya.
Walang lights. Ayan. Sige. Sige. Mukhang nahingan ka ni Diwata para. Nako, Diwata, I'm a fan, no? Aside from me, the whole staff is very happy for all your achievements. Nakita namin your humble beginnings, just like ako naman 2019, I was just nobody, but now I'm slowly reaching my dreams. Proud kami sa iyo, kakain kami diyan, pero dapat di na kami pipila. No, sabihin ko kay Kim tsaka kay Gerald, punta kami diyan bago mag-showing. Congrats.
Kung sakasakaling isa sa pelikula yung buhay ni Diwata, sino kayang artista na sa tingin mo kung pwedeng nagaganap?
Wow, ang dami, no? Top of the list, maybe si Juliana, taga Pasay din. No, di nalalayo yung parang isang tribo lang no? Ganun ang tingin ko. O hindi yung lait Ano yun? Para lang raw, para lang makatotohanan. Dalawang taga Pasay, sa Pasay ang pwesto ni Diwata So, parang feeling ko ma-achieve natin yung ganun. Kwintasan ko ng ginto-ginto si Juliana anytime. Para makita.
After this Soulmate, what's next? Mayroon ka na bang ide-direct this year also?
Well, there are talks. There are talks of doing the last Marcos movie and do it as a 16-episoder series for Netflix. I don't know yet. Dun sa kanilang talks, no? Kung yung last, yung Mabuhay Alawa Mabuhay ay magiging series. Hindi ko pa alam kasi hindi ako nakaka-attend ng meetings and everything. But there's one baby project that I've been bugging Tita June Rufino about and Boss Vincent and Boss Vic. Meron akong isang gustong gawing pelikula na medyo nakakagulat yung project pero hindi pa nila ako binibigyan ng definitive answer. Pero doing that film, it will really make me happy. At makakahinga ako dito sa politika, sa trabaho. Just wanna do that film. Hindi ko pa lang pwedeng sabihin kung ano, pero sana matuloy. But I have a lot of endorsement shoots. Tapos social media wise, madami. So sana makapag-shoot ako ng munting pelikula. Yun.
Any update naman po sa meeting nyo with Sarah Geronimo last year?
Well, my meeting with Sarah G is very funny. Sarah wanted to have a very unique. Sabi niya, basta bigyan niyo ako ng kakaiba. So, ewan ko ba sa mga boss ko, nung narinig nila yung kakaiba, ako pinamiting kay Sarah. Pagkaupo ko, hinawakan ko yung kamay ni SG. Sabi ko, SG, gusto mo bang gawin to? Sabi niya, direct papakinggan ko lang. Sabi ko, oo, kasi parang hindi mo pa kayang mag-Daryl Yap, sabi ko. She's a very talented actress, but you know, my field is, paano ba? I think she's not ready when it comes to the legalities that involves her contracts. You know, she has Jollibee, she has shampoo commercials and all. Alam mo naman, pag sa akin nagtrabaho, medyo magaspang ang words, kakaiba yung ano. So, very raw. So, I don't think it will happen. Nung narinig niya yung 3 pinitch ko, siguro mga 3 minutes siyang nakanganga. Ganun lang siya. Sabi ko, SG. Sabi niya, grabe direct na trauma. Sabi niya.
Kasama niya si Matt po dyan.
Kasama niya si Matt.
Pero may gagawin silang pelikula this year?
Yes.
Adaptation?
Yes.
Hindi po kayo yung magdidirect?
No. It's not me. I only direct films that I write.
Okay.
So palagi ko, alam ko kung sinong director pero sila na magsasabi. Pero good friend din. So, I'm just so happy with the opportunity na papakinggan ako ni Sarah Geronimo. Pero darating din tayo dyan. Sabi ko, darating din tayo dyan. I'm a pop star. Alam naman niya yun.
How about sa ano?
Sa wakas, right?
Yeah, we were so busy So, we don't have any shows pa in Olongapo. We've been trying our best to come up with a solid schedule, but we are failing. The last bonding that we have was when we watched Miss Saigon sa Soler as a family. But, pero, you know, a production is super far from the horizon because of the schedule.
With all the love teams right now na sikat, like kagaya ng Kim Pao, do you want to work with them someday?
Well, the array of artists that I'm allowed to work with so far is Viva artists. So ako, I don't see any problem with that. But you know, I don't know. It's a very small industry. Yes. Given the chance, I'm not the one who's saying. With my reputation, I'm not the first one who's saying no to anyone. So, yun lang. Ako, I don't see any problem working with other people. If they can carry the script, if they can, you know, remold themselves to my characters na very rough, I don't see any problem working with anyone.
Sino po ba yung mga
content creator landscape change from your perspective from the time when you started
it's very different now. My contemporaries include Lloyd Cadena, yung sama namin nila Lloyd, nung mga friends ni Lloyd, matagal na yan So during that time, during the peak of Vincentiments, ang content dapat hanggang 3 minutes lang. Mind you, ngayon 30 seconds lang, no? So paigsi ang attention span ng tao. It's a good thing I entered showbiz nung time na yon, ng 2018, 2019 na hindi pa kami masyadong masikip. Ngayon sobrang dami ng content creators. May TikTok na tayo, which I don't own a TikTok account. So it's very diverse. Well, kasya naman lahat sa stage, sabi nga nila. But you know, now anything is content So I'm not kind of feeling that vibe. As a creator, I always go for the story. Para sa akin ang may kwenta, yung may kwento. So hindi ako masyadong fan ng vlogging na eto gagawin ko today, make fun of myself, make myself look ugly so people will support. I'm not really a fan of that.
With all the collaborations right now, any dream actor or actresses na gusto mong ma-direct?
I have a lot. Marami naman. I also have a list. No, I also have a list. Parang they are eyeing for an Alex Gonzaga and Daryl Yap. I don't know yet. No, because Alex has always been with Direct Fifth Solomon. Parang they are trying to get Alex to my camp. I just don't know yet. Wow. Pero sobrang sabog yun kasi paras kaming si Raulo. Wala pa akong idea. I have never met the girl. So given the chance, maybe Alex will be my next muse. I just don't know when.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, thank you.
Invite na lang po everyone.
Ayun. Hi everybody, this is Daryl Yap, the writer-director of Soulmate. Showing na po kami on May 29 on Cinemas Nationwide. Soulmate, tandaan nyo po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank
Congrats
you.
po.